Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sharo's PC Tips. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, how to connect USB cable with computer. You can see it's how connected, and there is a problem sometimes that your mobile phone does not connect with the computer and it's charging only. So here is computer screen. We are going to my PC. Right click on it, and last properties, click on it, and there is a device manager at the side, click on it, and there is another pop-up has shown, and where is portable computer. I think I don't connect USB cable. Like, now I have connected, and you can see portable devices. Where is my arrow? Click on it, and you can see Sharoz Mukhtar. This is the name of my USB cable device, mobile device. Right click on it and update driver, and second one, browse my computer for device software. Let me pick from list and click on MTP USB device, click on it and next. You can see installing drivers. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close this pop-up, and it may help your problem, and it may resolve your problem. Now another way is from mobile, go to setting and find about phone. There is about phone, click on it, and you can see EMUI version. uh, Click on it many times, 5 to 6 times, and back. There is developer options, click on it and uh, turn to on it. Okay, press OK. Now scroll down, and you have to search USB debugging. There is on it, click OK, and where is there is another option where we have to go, and I am searching now. I think there is no. I think we have to scroll up again. Where is 1 minute? Now select USB configuration, media transfer protocol. Click on it. Okay, I think your problem may have resolved.